Top 10 benefits of makeup enhancing natural beauty. Makeup can be used to enhance a person's natural features, such as their eyes, lips, and cheekbones. This can make them feel more confident and attractive. Concealing imperfections. Makeup can be used to conceal blemishes, dark circles, and other imperfections, giving the skin a smoother and more even appearance. Changing appearance. Makeup can be used to change a person's appearance, such as making their eyes look bigger or their lips look fuller. This can be fun and allow for experimentation with different looks. Expressing creativity. Makeup can be used as a form of self-expression and creativity. People can experiment with different colors, textures, and techniques to create unique and interesting looks. Boosting confidence. Wearing makeup can make a person feel more confident and self-assured. This can be especially beneficial for those who may feel self-conscious about their appearance. Protecting the skin. Many makeup products contain ingredients that can protect the skin from the sun's harmful UV rays and environmental pollutants. Moisturizing the skin. Many makeup products are formulated with moisturizing ingredients that can help to keep the skin hydrated and smooth. Improving skin tone. Makeup can be used to improve the overall tone of the skin, such as hiding redness or brightening a dull complexion. Creating special effects. Makeup can be used to create special effects, such as creating a realistic wound or a zombie look. Creating a professional look. Makeup can be used to create a polished and professional look for work or other formal occasions. This can help to make a person feel more confident and in control in these situations.